Hello my dear student, today I start exercise 4.4 which is based on nature of roots. Okay, so first we know that quadratic formula for solving quadratic equation is what? X equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here d equal b square minus 4ac is called a discriminant of quadratic equation. Okay, so here three case is possible. So first is if d square it means b square minus 4ac equal 0, then nature of roots is then two equal real roots. If b square minus 4ac equal 0, then two equal real roots. Okay, and second thing is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then two distinct real roots. And if b square minus 4ac equal 0, then no real roots. Okay, so three cases possible. B square minus 4ac equal 0, then roots is real and equal, and b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots are distinct but real, and b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots. Okay, so this exercise is based on natures of roots. So here I start exercise 4.4. Question number first is what? Find the nature of the roots of following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, then find. If real roots exist, then find. If roots are not real, then I not find. So here 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal 0. This is our quadratic equation. So I compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So I get value of a equal 2 and value of b equal minus 3 and value of c equal 5. Okay, so now I check roots or nature of roots. So I take d equal b square minus 4ac. I put here value of b and c. So b is what? Minus 3 square minus 4 into value of a is 2 and value of c is 5. So minus 3 square we get 9 and 4 into 2 8 5 is 40. So here minus 30, it means d is less than 0 because minus 30 is less than 0. This equation has no real root. Okay, now I take question number second. Question number second is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equals 0. Again we compare with general equation x square plus bx plus c equals 0. We get a equal 3, b is what? Minus 4 root 3, okay, and c is what? 4. Now I take d equal b square minus 4ac. Here value of b is minus 4 root 3 whole square. Minus 4 into value of a is 3 and value of c is 4. So minus 4 square is become 16 and root 3 square is 3, okay, and minus 4 into 4, 16 into 3 we get 48. So 48 minus 48 it is 0. So d is what? 0. It means the equation has two real roots. Okay, and if real roots then we find it. So we use this quadratic formula. Okay, so x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here minus value of b is minus 4 root 3 plus minus b square minus 4ac we already calculate, it is 0. So simply minus minus plus, so x equal 4 root 3 upon 6. So 4 2 की table से 2 and 3. So 2 root 3 upon 3. Now I write 3 into root 3 into root 3. So root 3 to root 3 cancel out. Simply 2 upon root 3. Here value of x is what? 2 upon root 3. But root is real and equal. So these two roots is x equal 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3 are two equal real roots of given quadratic equation. Now our question number third is here. So I simplify here also. Greater than 0, then equation has two distinct real root. So we find these roots by the following process. Okay, so do it. Now I discuss question number second. Question number second is here. Okay, question number second is says if find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations. So they have two real equal roots. So first is 2x square plus kx plus 3 equals 0. Now I compare this equation, I get value of a is 2, b is k and c is what? 3. For two equal roots, आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है कि हैव टू इक्वल रूट्स, इट मीन्स D is what? Equal 0. It means B square minus 4AC equal 0. Now I put K square minus 4 into 2 into 3, we get K square minus 24 equal 0. So simply K square is 24. So K is what? Root 24 and plus minus root 24, because minus 2 square also 4 and plus 2 square also 4. So if here 2 is removed, then it is become plus minus under root 24. Now I find prime factor of 24. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now pair of 2 is common. So K is plus minus 2 root 6. So this is our answer. Now question number second is Kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal 0. So it is become, first we solve it. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 equal 0. So here a equal k, b equal minus 2k and c equal 6. 4 real equal roots, d is equal 0. So I simplify this equation. So 4k square minus 24k equal 0. Now 4k is a common, so k minus 6. So here 4k equal 0, it means k equal 0 and k minus 6 equal 0, so k equal 6. It means k equal 0 and k equal 6 is our root of equation. Now question number 3 is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its width? Okay, आपको given है कि उसकी length क्या है आपकी twice its width and area is 800 मीटर स्क्वायर. इफ सो फाइंड इस लेंथ एंड विड्थ. अगर ऐसा पॉसिबल है तो उसकी लेंथ एंड विड्थ फाइंड करना है. सो आई लेट ब्रीथ इक्वल x मीटर एंड लेंथ इज 2x मीटर. ओके, सो एरिया इज व्हाट? एरिया आल्सो गिवन 800 मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, so according to question it is possible. So length of, so area of rectangle we know that length into breadth. So length into breadth is what? 800. So length is our 2x and breadth is x. So 2x square is equals to 800. So x square equal 800 upon 2. So simply x square equal 400. So x is what? Plus minus under root 400. So x equal plus minus 400 is what? Square root of 20. So x is real roots, then it is possible. So breadth is what? 20, because negative can't be possible, because length is not negative. So breadth is not negative. So length is 2x. It means 2 into 20. So it's become 40 meter. So here breadth is 20 meter and length is 40 meter. Okay. Now question number 4 is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present age. The sum of age of two friends is 20 years. Okay, 4 years ago the product of their age year was 48. So if I let age of first friend is what? X. So age of X year. Okay, so age of second friend is what? Because sum is what? 20. So we subtract first friend age from 20, so we get second friend age. So 20 minus x year. Then 4 years ago first friend age is what? X minus 4. Okay, and second friend age is what? 20 minus x minus 4. It means 16 minus x year. Then according to question what? Product of their age है ना. 4 years ago product of their age, it means x minus 4 into 16 minus 8, it is become 40x. ये आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है. So we multiply this bracket into this 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x and this 48 15 LHS, it is negative. Okay, so simply minus x square 14x plus 4x 20x and minus 64 minus 48 is become 112x. Divide by minus. So x square minus 20x plus 112 equal 0. Compare with general equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So we get a equal 1, b equal minus 20 and c equal 112. So d is what? B square minus 4ac. So minus 20 square minus 4 and value of a is 1 and value of c is 112. So 400 minus 448. So it's given minus 48. It means d is less than 0 and less than 0 पर क्या condition होती है? Roots are not real. It means this situation is not possible because it has no real roots. Okay. Now question number 5 is, if is it possible to design a rectangular park of parameter 80 meter and area 400 meter? If so, find its length and width. Okay, so given parameter of rectangular park is 80 meter, so we know that parameter of rectangle is 2 into length plus width. So length plus width is what? 80 upon 2, it means 40. So I let length is what? X meter, so width is what? 40 minus x, because दोनों का सम कितना है आपके पास? 40. So area again given area is 400 meter. So we know that area of rectangle is L into width. So simply L is what? X, and width is 40 minus x. So x multiplied with 40, 40x, and x multiplied with minus x is square, and this 400 shift in LHS, it become negative. So our equation is minus x square plus 40x minus 400. Now divide by minus, it simply become x square minus 40x plus 400. So here a is what? 1, b equal minus 40, and c equal 400. Now I check discriminant d equal minus b square minus 4ac. So it's become minus 40 whole square minus 4 into value of a is 1 and value of c is 400. So here 1600 minus 1600 equals 0. It means since d is equals to 0, then situation is possible, because equals to 0 पर आपके real roots and equal. So now I calculate x equal minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So x equal minus and bracket value of b is minus 40 plus minus b square minus 4ac. We calculate is become 0 and upon 2 into 1. So x equal what? 20. So length of park is what? 20 meter. Okay, so breadth of park is what? 40 minus x. So it's become 40 minus 20 equal 20 meter. So length equal 20 and breadth equal 20 meter. Okay, so this is complete video of exercise 4.4. So please see this video very carefully and solve, write it in your fair notebook. Thank you.